Turning to our weather this morning, this is a live look from outside our Paris Mountain sky cam. Wow, that's hard to kind of spot anything up there. Maybe we're seeing some water on this camera screen. I don't know. Meteorologist Grace Lowe is here at the Area Certified Most Accurate Forecast. Grace, what are we kind of expecting for this morning? Yeah, I mean, we're waking up right now in those higher elevations, dealing with a bit of a wintry mix outside. Rain for the upstate. Let's go ahead and move in a bit closer. You're not wrong, Isabel. There was some raindrops on the camera there. Beginning to see some showers move through into Spartanburg. Saturday for you, waking up right now. Here's some rain on the Peace Center sky cam. Spartanburg 37 degrees. We're dealing with rain right now as the sun begins to rise there in Asheville. You're 33 degrees outside. Feel like temperature could be a little bit cooler as well as we're dealing with some wind out there. So here's what it looks like for us hour by hour on a Saturday. We will see some sunshine today, even warming up a bit further than we were yesterday. Low 50s expected, staying dry the next 12 hours into the mountains. Now, all eyes are on tomorrow. I know potentially we have that potential to see some snow in our area. For the most part, though, we're going to be dealing with a bit of a cold rain. Coming up, I'll map it out for your town. Parts of the area waking up right now to some showers moving through. I know parts in western North Carolina, higher elevations saw some snow and a wintry mix. What about tomorrow? Coming up, I'll tell you what could happen. Isabel, here's what's happening outside right now. We were seeing some winter weather up in parts of the mountains, some rain for us left behind. What's going to happen tomorrow? Coming up, I'll tell you. Well, hey, good Saturday morning. Here's what's going on outside right now. A lot happening in our area this weekend. It might be a holiday weekend for you as well. We're going to continue to see some showers move through parts of our area. I know early this morning we were dealing with some bit of a wintry mix outside in parts of the mountains. Here's the good news. Most of that is gone. And what we're looking at is tomorrow, the potential for snow in our area. Sky cam right now into Spartanburg, 37 degrees. Feel like 34. It's a lot colder outside with that breeze really kicking in. 33 into Asheville, 40s Greenville, Anderson, you guys are in the low 40s. Feel like temperature in the 20s in those higher elevations. So yeah, a bit of a very cold start. Here's what's going to happen today. Let's get through your Saturday first. You might want to get some errands done before tomorrow. 41 there by 8, by 2 o'clock, low 50s outside. Not too bad of a day. By 5, low 50s as well. Into Asheville, once again, mid 40s expected for the area. Sunshine early this morning. Yes, you were dealing with some light wintry precipitation out there as the sun begins to rise, though really in some of those lower elevations going to be out of freezing. Looks like travel impacts just early this morning. Let's give you a wider perspective of what's happening across the area as we go into early Sunday morning from 8 o'clock tonight into early tomorrow morning. If we're going to be seeing anything, looks like mainly going to be a bit of a light rain for our area, but you notice across parts of central Georgia into parts of our area east of the I-85 corridor, we could potentially see some light snow accumulation. I'm not going to rule out that risk of seeing a flurry here and there, but trends really have been seeing this system trend a bit more south and south and south. Here we go. And even parts of the coast could see more snow than us. And that's really been what we've been eyeing. But if we are going to be seeing anything, mainly going to be snow totals, according to the Euro, across parts of central Georgia into our area, less than an inch if we are going to be dealing with any snow. Compared to the Euro, kind of along with what I just showed you, a lot of that snow is really going to be held across Georgia, even near the coast as well. But the GFS has us in the mix. Potentially could be seeing some snow accumulation. As of right now, once again, I'm going to go ahead and mention mainly going to be east of the I-85 corridor, less than an inch out there. But for snow lovers, I know you're just excited to see a flake or two. Late tonight, we're going to be in the mid 30s, though. What we do know is going to be cold outside after this moves on through. Into tomorrow, most of us mid 30s outside. Here's the 4-day impact day for us tomorrow, just at the chance of seeing some snow. And for your holiday weekend, it's going to be cold out there. An impact day as we go towards Tuesday into the mountains. I didn't type that wrong. 8 degrees. It's going to be cold next week. We are taking a live look this morning out of over Lake Hartwell. Look at that. The sun has come out. It looks gorgeous out there, though I would not want to jump in the water because it's freezing outside. Temperature is 42. It feels like 38. It's a little bit up from the 32 we were seeing earlier today. Meteorologist Grace Lowe joins us with the Area Certified Most Accurate Forecast. Okay, Grace. Everybody's talking about the cold temperatures and also the snow. What are we going to expect for this weekend? Isabel, good morning. You're right. I mean, I know all eyes are on this weekend's forecast. You're waking up right now, you're seeing rain. You're like, wait, is that it. Guys, don't worry, we do have the potential to see some snow, mainly though to the south of our area. If you got some friends or family in parts of the Midlands or even near the coast, they could see a higher risk than us. Here we go into early Saturday morning. We were dealing with potentially some isolated showers still moving through into Gaffney. You guys are next into the southern part of Spartanburg County. I know we were dealing with some bit of a wintry mix in those higher elevations earlier this morning. Waking up right now though, dealing with the cloud cover, 33 into Asheville. Feel like temperatures a bit cooler than that across the area. We are 40 Greenville, 37 Spartanburg, 33 Asheville, Anderson. You guys are in the low 40s. Here's the next 12 hours into the upstate. So today, thawing out a bit. I know from yesterday, highs are going to be in the low 50s outside. Into the mountains, you were dealing with the wintry mix early this morning has cleared up. We're 46 by 4 o'clock, and tomorrow the potential for snow still on the table. You could see a flake or two. I know for our snow lovers, that's all you want to see. Coming up, I'll map it out for your town. Well, here's what's happening across our area. We were dealing with a bit of a wintry mix in higher elevations in western North Carolina, rain through the upstate. What are we going to see tomorrow? Coming up, I'll tell you. Well, good Saturday morning. Let's go ahead and map out the rest of your morning and tomorrow as well. I know all eyes are on the forecast there. Satellite and radar, what's happening as of right now. I know we did have some showers move through our area, still dealing with that early this morning, and in higher elevations in parts of western North Carolina dealing with snow, a bit of sleet, freezing rain, a wintry mix out there. Some of you sent some photos in of what your front yard looked like early this morning, and then we're going to potentially eye the risk for some snow for our area tomorrow. Here's what's happening right now though. We're 37 into Spartanburg, feel like temperature in the 30s as well. Asheville as of right now 33, Anderson and Greenville low 40s. Feel like because of the southwesterly wind we're seeing right now, feeling like 25 degrees into Asheville. If you got any Saturday plans, make sure you're bundling up. Hour by hour today, we're not going to be as cold as we were yesterday. In the low 50s there by 5 o'clock, even seeing some sunshine as you get a bit closer into late this afternoon and evening. Into the mountains, same idea. We're going to be in the mid 40s by 5 o'clock, 8 o'clock late tonight. We're going to be looking towards the risk of snow. As of right now, I know things have been changing the past several days. It's been a bit of a fickle system to deal with. I know you're wondering, are we going to see anything? As of right now, looks like mainly overnight tonight into tomorrow morning, going to be a cold rain event. I know I keep talking about east of I-85, potentially seeing some snow accumulation in parts of that area. Well, into early tomorrow morning, you're going to see for sure snow across parts of Georgia, even in parts of the Midlands as well. You notice this little area right here is what I'm talking about. Really, in parts of our southern counties, could see a bit of a flake or two. But for the most part, not going to see anything above an inch. Going to be really light out there. But you notice this is extending in parts of South Carolina, even close to coastal Georgia and coastal South Carolina, which, believe it or not, a year ago this week, that exact same thing happened. As for snow totals for the European model, we've been watching this. You notice dealing with just around half an inch in a few spots. We're not left out of the mix here, but you notice it's not higher than an inch and barely even higher than quarter of an inch out there. Snow potential through 6 o'clock on Sunday. This is what the European model is saying. This has been the most consistent with a bit of a southerly track, continuing to see trends that way as well. The snow potential for the GFS has us in the mix, but you notice the lighter accumulation, that's what I was talking about, east of I-85 if we are going to see anything. Most of this, though, really extending into even parts of Florida, picking up here in the GFS, but into parts of Georgia as well. So late tonight, here's what you can expect. It's going to be cold out there either way. We're 24 into Asheville, 35 tonight into Greenville and Spartanburg tomorrow. Low 40s expected. And here's the 4-day. Yes, we're going to issue an impact day for us just for the potential and just because it's going to be cold out there, dropping about 10 degrees from what you're seeing today. Extending the forecast into the weekend, you notice if you have a longer weekend, it's still going to be cold out there. And impact day for Tuesday, and the reason why, single digits, 8 degrees on Tuesday morning in parts of the mountains. It's going to be cold with some sunshine throughout the rest of next week. All right, final check on your forecast early this morning. We've been dealing with rain kind of off and on for our areas. Parts of western North Carolina, those higher elevations in the mountains, you're dealing with a bit of a wintry mix. Some of you sent some photos in of what your front yard looked like, a bit of a dusting out there. Is that going to happen tomorrow? Well, most of the snow as of right now, models indicating east of I-85. So not going to be a lot, less than an inch. I know we're looking forward to it.
Wow, it's going to be cold and we might even see some wintry weather. So that's good news. Well, thanks for watching. The news continues tonight at 6.